The Bank of Russia is calling for a full ban on cryptocurrencies. And in addition to that, cryptos bounced up very big this morning, but they got a big rejection and a fake out. And if you hold any cryptocurrencies, whether it's Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Ethereum, Bitcoin, you need to watch this video and stay to the end because I have some very important information that you cannot miss. What's up, Myles? It's ladies and gentlemen here. Make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos that I make about cryptocurrencies every single day. And if you love cryptocurrencies, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below. Are you buying the dip? Are you selling? Are you trading this volatility right now? Let me know what you are doing below because I definitely read my comments. And if you want to get access to the most profitable trading community in the world for cryptocurrencies, go ahead and join my Patreon right now. The link is in my video description, where you will get access to new coin launches, coins that 50x and do crazy things just like we have seen the past couple of weeks. In addition to that, you can speak to me on the phone. We do a whole bunch of things over there to make you money in crypto. And if you want to learn how to day trade cryptocurrencies, if you want to learn technical analysis to create passive income for yourself and financial freedom, go ahead and sign up for my crypto trading course where I teach you everything I know. The link for that will be in my video description where it is milesginvestments.teachable.com. And don't forget to get your 2 free stocks from WEBULL when you create an account with my link below for WEBULL. All you have to do is deposit 1 penny. And make sure you also follow all of my socials below so you do not follow the wrong person. There are many people impersonating me trying to scam you. I will never ask you for money, neither in the comments below as well. And we do have a free Discord, a free Telegram. The links for that are in my video description. So let's go ahead and dive straight into the content because things are getting absolutely critical. So as we are seeing, a lot of people were saying, Myles, why did you sell yesterday? Now look at, you've missed all of this money. But now look, cryptos are down because they're continuing to go down. I'm telling you, I've been telling you the last several days, the crypto market is heading down. It keeps going lower and lower and lower with each video I make, unfortunately. And we are able to see that they are going to continue to go down based on technical analysis and a bunch of information that we have. But cryptos aren't going to go down forever. Eventually, they will bounce up and they will make us lots of money. But remember, nothing in this video is financial advice. It's just my own opinion through many years of investing and trading. Now, if we go ahead and we take a look at cryptocurrencies, we are seeing pretty much everything is in the red except Cosmos. Again, Cosmos just seems like every single day, no matter what is happening, is going up. Crypto.com is up 1.69%. Absolutely amazing to see. 1%. Can you believe it? Massive gains, guys. So the market is red, and we are going to explore why the market is red and where we are now headed. So there's a couple of pieces of news that have definitely put some downwards pressure, selling pressure on the whole crypto market. One of them is this. It's a very small portion of it. The SEC rejects the application for a Bitcoin ETF. There's a lot of companies out there who are trying to create a Bitcoin spot ETF. There are now currently Bitcoin futures ETFs, but we need a spot ETF, which would basically mean that there's a Bitcoin stock where you can literally buy stock and you're basically buying Bitcoin. You do pay a premium, but these spot ETF companies, they will have to physically hold Bitcoin in their wallet, which is a very good thing for the market because we know that the stock market is hundreds of trillions of dollars, which just if a little bit of them trickle into buying some Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies will certainly have a huge effect on the cryptos in your portfolio. Now, moving on, this is just absolutely crazy. Make sure you watch until the end because I have even more crazy news and information. So the Bank of Russia calls for a full ban on cryptocurrency. Wasn't it just recently that they were saying something about how great cryptocurrencies were? The stories and FUD never stop. Just because they are calling on it, though, doesn't mean it's going to happen. So this is the difference. The Bank of Russia is not the Russian president, it's not the Russian government, but the Bank of Russia is calling. These are two different things. And banning cryptocurrency is a whole nother thing as well. But this is definitely FUD because the Bank of Russia does have power in Russia. Now, what they are saying is Russia must ban, not potentially ban, hey, they may be bad, let's look into it. No, Russia must ban cryptocurrencies. The central bank said in a report released today. Now, what they are saying is that they want to ban crypto trading, mining, and usage that's illegal. So there are actually a lot of scammers and scam companies out there in Russia who are doing crypto scams. So this could potentially have a good effect on these scammers. So here is the thing. Is this news going to crash the crypto market like China? The China ban of crypto and crypto mining is very interesting because China and Russia, same type of government, same type of countries, they work together and they're trying to do the same thing. Very interesting. Well, China definitely has interest in this because they have their own cryptocurrency that they want for their people called the digital yuan, and they want it to reign supreme. That's why they are banning cryptocurrencies, banning mining over there. There's still people trading crypto and investing in China. It's still happening. There's still people mining, but they banned it. They banned most of it. So it's a lot of FUD. It's a lot of confusing things that are happening. But this is a lot of FUD. This is even more FUD to add on top of this. And the last time, like I said, China banned crypto in this degree or even started talking about it was very bad for the crypto market. We went into a bear market for 3 months or so. And this was last summer. So with even more FUD on top of this, not looking good for the crypto market, at least in the immediate short term. And if this were to happen, which may or may not happen, it definitely would not have a good effect on the cryptocurrency market. But we could see it like it was actually good for China to ban crypto and crypto mining because all the miners were dispersed throughout the world, most of them in the United States. And this could also happen for Americans in Europe and all around the world, where instead of a lot of this mining power being in Russia, it would be given to America and other countries around the world, which would not be a good move for them, at least in the future. So we have a lot of FUD that's happening. We're going to continue to explore why this is happening, what's happening, where we headed. So today, Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, whatever cryptocurrency you held, they broke a very strong resistance level. Last night, it was not looking good, but the pattern was forming. The inverse head and shoulders, as you can see right here, which most of the time ends up playing out. And it did play out. I was watching it very clearly. And in my video yesterday, I said I'm selling all of my cryptocurrency. But what that means, if you would stay to the video and heard what I had to say, I'm not selling all of my cryptocurrency and I'm done with crypto. No, I sold all of my cryptocurrency so that instead of holding these long bags during these crazy crashes and corrections, I'm just going to be day trading. And so what I do is when things crash and when they start to move up a little bit, I buy the dips when we see confirmation through technical signals, which I do give in my Patreon. And when things start to go up, I buy in, I hold until we are getting near a resistance level or resistance levels. And then I start peeling off some of these profits, then pull out again once I see any sign of bearishness or rejection of a breakout, which we saw today. We saw a false breakout. So what this analyst says is that we failed. We have failed this breakout and ended up forming a false breakout. And if I go ahead and show you in the technicals, if we go ahead and look at the technicals, ladies and gentlemen, what we can see here is yesterday we ended up breaking down and coming into this tight consolidation range. But which was very, very interesting is that the crypto market started forming this inverse head and shoulders, which is a very bullish sign. And look, we ended up coming up to test the resistance level and we ended up breaking out. This is when you generally make an entry back into a market, and then the breakouts are generally the length of the head and shoulders pattern, which I can show you exactly right here. The length from the top to bottom. If we show the breakout, we came just about to the top. So we came exactly to our perfect price target. If we would have used that as an indicator of how high this breakout would go, it did exactly that. But what we were looking for and what we needed is a rejection coming down is healthy. It's very good. But a rejection coming down to break the previous support level and resistance level to come down and break this support level is not a good and healthy sign. It's a very bearish sign. So anyways, we started breaking down and that is not a good and bullish sign. Now, the reason why we're getting this rejection and false breakout is potentially because of this Russia news. And there's a bunch of other news that's happening, but primarily this Russia news is not good at all. And we are continuing to break down, which is not a good and healthy sign, as I have been saying. And it's very likely that we are going to continue to head lower, but we are still getting close to the bottom. And like I said in my previous videos, I said it's very likely that we're going to end up most likely coming down to the support level, which we are doing right now. I've told you guys this days before. And if you've got something out of the video so far, give this video a thumbs up. But what is happening next, and make sure you stay, is that the market is most likely going to head lower to see a bigger correction. So what I do is in these situations, I pull out mostly all of my cryptocurrencies and I do short trades because I don't want to be holding when there's another 20 or 30% correction that could potentially happen, because you want to have cash on the side so that when there is a huge flash crash or a correction, if there is one, there may never be, you have cash on the side. You don't have to lighten up your bag completely, but at least having a little bit of cash on the side so you can buy some really good discounts. That's what I personally do. And if you are not a day trader, if you are an investor, You don't need to day trade and pull out completely because you have to watch the charts all day. You have to know technical analysis. And if you can't watch the charts all day, you should definitely just dollar cost average, which every major crash and dip, if you have cash on the side, you buy the dip. Now, if you've gotten something out of the video so far, give this video a thumbs up, share this video with a friend or family member. Blow up the comment section, check out the Patreon, the trading course. All the links will be in my video description below. And I will see you all later. Have a great night. Everything is going to be fine.